If your leaves are turning yellow, your plant is drying up, and you think there is no hope for it, don't throw it away just yet. Look at this plant. The leaves are yellow, the stem is limp, and there are almost no fruits. Many would have already pulled it out and thrown it away, but we will give it another chance with a technique that I am sure you will immediately apply to your plants. But first, click subscribe and leave a like, because today I am revealing a trick that can save even the sickest cucumbers. Instead of classic fertilizer, we will bury something completely unusual next to the plant. And no, it is not a banana, it is not yeast, it is not ash, but something that we all have in our kitchen and almost no one uses it in this way. It is a completely natural activator that nourishes the soil from the inside, awakens microorganisms, and strengthens the roots. In just a few days, the leaves become greener, the plant rises, and the flowers begin to sprout like never before. You will wonder, what is it? Here is a small hole, here is the substance we pour, berry, water, and wait. After just a few days, incredible! The cucumbers are no longer yellow and limp, the plant grows, leaves, bears fruit. And all thanks to this little secret. And that secret is raw, unwashed rice. Yes, just 1 to 2 tablespoons buried next to the plant. In contact with the soil and moisture, the rice begins to decompose and release nutrients that feed the plant and stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria in the soil. If you want more tricks like this, click subscribe and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Your cucumbers will thank you.